Namaste. So now discharge and acquittal, both terms aren't defined anywhere. Discharge, see, acquittal में तो trial हुआ, either you'll be acquitted or you'll be convicted. But discharge के अंदर trial नहीं हो रहा. Basically, what we are trying to say in discharge is that we haven't really been able to get you into our system to start a trial. Because remember, in courts, in CRPC, in everywhere, basically in the entire legal circuit, there is a, you can say, an exoskeleton, a map, जिसके अंदर आपको कहीं ना कहीं fit होना है. So we're discharging you because we really don't know what to do with you. Because if we knew, we would either acquit you or convict you. Alright. So in discharge, first and foremost, the homework is you're going to read section 300, you're going to read the explanation to it. So just because you've been discharged does not mean that that fresh proceedings cannot be instituted against you, or it does not bar the institution of fresh proceedings. मतलब एक बार अगर आपको हमने discharge किया कि अभी तुम चले जाओ, we really cannot figure out whether this framing of charges is justifiable against you or not, but we may just call you back again when newer, fresher evidence is available. So this is no bar that that fresh proceedings cannot be instituted against you. Can you be rearrested? Yep, you can be rearrested. Even though you've been discharged, tomorrow पुलिस को कोई नई कहानी पता चलती है या कुछ होता है, उठा के आपको arrest कर लेंगे. Alright. But what does this term exactly mean? So broadly, it is very difficult to define this term. It is, there is no prima facie evidence, prima facie on the face of it, कि अभी दिख नहीं रहा कुछ ऐसा कुछ आपके against है जो justify करे framing of a charge. Therefore we are discharging you. चार्ज आपके अगेंस्ट हटा दिया गया है क्योंकि हमें समझ नहीं आ रही कि आपको पकड़े तो पकड़े कैसे. लेकिन अगर हमने आपको पकड़ लिया, मान लेते हैं, देन ट्रायल के बाद क्या होगा? या कन्विक्शन होगी, एक्विटल होगा. Right? Herein a proper trial is being conducted. So acquittal always comes after trial. Herein कोई trial हो ही नहीं रहा in discharge. Alright? So this is after trial. It establishes innocence. Acquittal हो गया तो your innocence has been established by the court of law. Right? And you cannot be rearrested in the same case with the same offense. So let us say the state wants to appeal. So go ahead, appeal to the higher court. But you cannot be rearrested. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? Yep, you can be. But यहाँ पे इसी केस और इसी ऑफेंस के चक्कर में rearrest नहीं होंगे आप unless and until the higher court overturns this decision of the lower court, आपका acquittal को conviction में बदल दे, then पुलिस वाले आपको ले जाएंगे as per the IPC. बट अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप इसी केस और इसी ऑफेंस में विदाउट द अपील कि पुलिस वालों को अब लग रहा है अरे तो हमसे गड़बड़ हो गई, अब तो हमारे पास नया एविडेंस आ गया, तो नया एविडेंस आया तो फिर दोबारा से काम शुरू होगा. बट इसके अंदर रीअरेस्ट तो आप नहीं होने वाले. सो पुलिस गोइंग टू अपील दिस, पुलिस रादर स्टेट इज गोइंग टू अपील दिस डिसीजन, राइट? बिकॉज द स्टेट एक्चुअली इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग इट्स पावर्स वाया द पुलिस. दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. Discharge and acquittal. Now we move on from section 2 to other sections. All right. Hope this is clear now. All right. Take care. Bye.